Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
And here again we have some questions for us to discuss. Let us look at them. The first one, in which sector activities are not guided by profit motive? Public sector, private sector, organized sector, unorganized sector. So we have to choose in which sector activities are not guided by profit motive. So it is a public sector. The second question, mention one reason for the need of public sector in India. Need of public sector in India, one reason. The private sectors are profit oriented and hence do not care for the welfare of the people. Alright. The next question, what is public sector? Give examples of public sector units. Economic activities which are owned and controlled by the government is called or are called, because we said activities, public sector. Okay. Example, Indian Railways, Post Office, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, etc. State any two initiatives undertaken by the government in healthcare. Number 1, large scale vaccination program. Number 2, establishment of new government hospitals and medical colleges. The next question, explain how public sector contributes in the economic development of a country. Public sector main purpose is not to gain profit. It cares for the welfare of the society. Large number of activities like health care and education are responsibility of the government. Number 4, The government pays attention to other aspects of development, such as safe drinking water, food and nutrition, etc. Number 5, or the fifth point, large scale investment needed in basic and key industries and infrastructure is made by the public sector or government. All right. So with this, we have come to the end of this topic. So very briefly, this topic was about different sectors of economy or the economic system of India. And here we learned about how there has been 3 main categories of economic activities or the economic system based on their activities or functions based on their. So in this chapter we learned about the Indian economic system, and then we saw how the economic system can be divided into 3 categories based on economic function or activities, based on employment, and based on ownership. So there we saw how each sector worked and what were the components of each sector, and we also saw how the poor are more vulnerable, they're exploited, and how they suffer, all right, in this being engaged in these economic activities in various sectors. So with this, I end this topic here with the hope that you had a nice time learning about the different sectors of economic activities, and also with another hope that you will join me again in the next class to learn about another aspect of Indian economy. Until then, you take care. Bye.